If you want to move Elementor designs from one WordPress site to another, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export and import Elementor pages and templates across sites, step by step, so you can reuse layouts, sections, and full page designs without rebuilding everything from scratch. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the page or template you want to export inside Elementor. Once you're in the editor, look to the top right corner next to the Publish button. You'll see a small arrow drop-down. Click that arrow and then select Save as Template. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your template. Give it a clear name so you can easily find it later, then click Save. After that, Elementor will open the Templates tab where your saved template is listed. Find your template, then click the three dots, also called the context menu, beside it. From the menu, choose Export. Elementor will automatically download a JSON file to your computer. That JSON file is what you'll use to move the template to another site. Now let's import it into the new WordPress site. Go to the WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Elementor, Editor, and Templates. On the top right of that screen, click Import Template. Next, click Choose File and select the JSON file you just downloaded. Once the file is selected, click Import Now. Elementor will upload the template and add it to your library. You can check that same page to verify the template imported correctly and manage it if needed. Now that the template is imported, let's add it to a page. Open the page where you want to use the design and launch Elementor. In the center of the editor, click the folder icon. This opens the template library. Go to the My Templates tab, find the imported template, and click Insert. Elementor will place the design into your page instantly. From there, you can edit the content, images, text, and styling to fit your new website. The final step is to save everything properly. Once the imported template is inserted and looks the way you want, go to the top right and click Publish to save the page. And that's it. You've now exported an Elementor page or template, imported it into another site, and inserted it into a new page successfully. This is one of the fastest ways to reuse professional designs across multiple websites, whether you're building client sites or your own projects. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Elementor tutorial.